Alright, so the first checkpoint that we stopped at was just an environmental fee, apparently. Now we're actually at the falls. So we have to pay an entrance fee again to go down into the falls. Not sure how much that is. Babe, how much was the environmental fee?
It's like 40 pesos per person.
So 40 pesos is about $1 Canadian, or a little less than $1 American. I can hear the falls.
Good morning, ma'am and sir. Welcome to Bolinao Falls 1, and my name is Reynan Garcia. I'm in charge to Kopi Kubo Barako Brew.
Okay, let's go check it out. Alright.
Kunyari, ibig sabihin, ma'am,
what kind of coffees do you have? Drip coffee, Thai iced coffee, Vietnamese coffee, Thai tea, French press,
choco, mocha, jasmine tea, green tea, classic black tea, citron tree.
Yeah. Wow.
And additional milk 15 pesos.
Yeah. How long have you been here? How long have you been here selling tea or coffee? A year, 2 years? A year? Maybe?
No, sir. 2 months.
2 months?
Yeah,
ah,
sir,
okay.
2 months.
Alright, so it's new. And what are these? Is this jam?
Jam,
for...
sir, and alamang.
Ah, okay.
Malabon alamang, sir, and at sarang labong and laing.
Okay. Who makes the jams? Who? Your family? Your family?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? They make the jam? Wow, nice.
Yes, sir.
All right. Good, thank you.
The door is open, I could walk right in. Ooh, but it's so much harder than it sounds. I know it's closing if I just stand still. Cause you won't wait forever, so just hear me out. It is not like I don't want you, just scared to try. Even if the odds are in my favor, I just need more time. So if you wait just a little bit longer, I will treat you right. Treat you right, yeah. Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now. Right now. Someone like you wouldn't take that. I don't even try. light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight. Come on and rise. Come on and rise. Come on and rise. Light me up, can't get enough. Take your time, just do it right. We will rise to the skies, 'cause we ain't done till we hit the sun. Got to be you. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight. Come on and rise. Come on and rise.
Well, that was a lot of fun. We spent how many hours, babe? 2?
Come on and rise.
Maybe 3?
Baby, you
Yeah.
light me up.
Yeah.
I just can't get enough.
Oh, there's the jumpers.
'Cause I need
There's the jumpers.
you. Come and light me up.
Hey, jumpers. Hello.
Next time.
What's your names? Name? Rosalind? Yeah. And you? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And you? Yeah. Wow, you guys did a good job jumping. Thank you.
Salamat.
Bye-bye.
Sinong may Facebook sa inyo? Ako po.
Colas for, there you go.
Thank you po.
Yeah, you're welcome. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Bye. Thank you. Bye.